Looking for a powerful mirrorless camera that blends photography and video like a pro? Meet the Fujifilm X-S10, a compact beast with serious features. Let's see if it still holds up in 2025. The Fujifilm X-S10 was launched as a mid-range mirrorless camera packed with professional-level tools, including in-body stabilization, 4K video, and Fujifilm's beloved film simulations, all in a compact, travel-friendly body. What stands out immediately is the DSLR-style grip, deep, comfortable, and perfect for long shoots. It's lightweight yet solid. You get a fully articulating touchscreen, dedicated dials, and a joystick, making it ideal for vloggers and hybrid shooters. It features a 26.1 megapixel X-Trans CMOS 4 sensor, the same one found in the X-T4. The colors are classic Fujifilm, rich, vibrant, and film-like. Whether you're shooting portraits, landscapes, or street photography, this camera delivers outstanding results. For video creators, this camera is no joke. It records 4K at 30 frames per second, Full HD at up to 240 frames per second, and supports F-Log and 10-bit output via HDMI. Combine that with 5-axis IBIS, and you get incredibly stable, cinematic footage, even handheld. Autofocus is fast and reliable, thanks to 425 phase detect points. It locks on in 0.02 seconds and works well in low light, down to -6 EV. You can also shoot up to 30 frames per second in burst mode using the electronic shutter. Fujifilm's film simulations are a creator's dream. You get 18 profiles, from classic chrome to acros, giving your photos and videos a signature look straight out of the camera. No editing needed. No camera is perfect. The X-S10 lacks weather sealing, and the touchscreen controls are a bit limited. Also, newer models like the X-S20 offer better autofocus tracking. But for the price, it's still a solid deal. In 2025, the Fujifilm X-S10 is still one of the best hybrid mirrorless cameras under $1,000. It's perfect for vloggers, photographers, and content creators looking for premium features without a huge price tag. If you find one second-hand or in a kit bundle, go for it. It's a creative powerhouse in a small body. Let me know in the comments, would you still buy the X-S10 in 2025? And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more camera reviews and tech content.